Hello, my beautiful darlings. How are you? How are you doing? I hope everything's great with you and you are fine. So let's, guys, talk a little bit about how can I say a very interesting phenomenon. Maybe you heard about it, but anyway, so. Uh, Maybe it can be useful for you about water and water energetics. So, guys, did you know that water is much more it has much more flexible energy and quicker changing energy than Earth? Well, physically it's obvious actually, but I mean that if you talk about energy of water, so you can use it for your own benefits. Have you heard about one research of, if I'm not mistaken, that was Japanese scientist or Chinese scientist, actually, I think Japanese, yeah. So, and he was researching the qualities of water from energetical side, and so he how can I say he was looking at the water under microscope, and he was looking at the structure of crystals of water. So, and did you know, guys, you can actually find this research on the internet, or maybe you've heard about it, it's quite famous actually. But anyway, just let me remind you a little bit about it, and so you can use it. Just let me later tell you how you can use it. When he put the water, like a glass of water or maybe a bottle, doesn't matter, I think, and said different words, pronounced different words, the structure or the crystals of water change their form. This is really interesting. So when he pronounced beautiful words like love, passion, I don't know, peace, something like this, the structure of the word, the crystals became very beautiful. Like they was shaped very beautifully. They had the right form, like like the snow. If you can imagine the snow, if you notice the snow, observed some in your life, the snowflakes, you can understand what I'm talking about. Usually they are very beautiful, but all of them are different. So this is the idea. So each word has a different vibration, and it gives beautiful, but at the same time different structure. So this is what I really love. Like, for example, if you say love, it has one structure, like it takes one form. Because this is a frequency. Remember, I was telling you, like the words, any word has its own unique frequency and or vibration, and it gives the form. So information gives the form in energy, then goes energy, and inside of this energy the information creates and shapes the form. And then for example, the word peace, or I don't know, friendship, something else, it had another form, but beautiful, but another one, etc., etc. So, and that was really interesting. And on the other side, when he saying bad words, so I will not say bad words, but you can imagine, so any bad words with negative energy, their shape was not just different and how can I say, but it was kind of ugly, if I can say so. So it was not correctly shaped, and the form was kind of it was not harmonious according to the laws of the universe. So it had not beautiful structure, and it was not symmetrical. You know that in our universe, symmetry is considered to be like a beauty. And this is one of the laws of harmony, symmetry, but they were not symmetrical, and also they were chaotical, and etc., etc. So they didn't look pretty, if I can say so. So what does that mean, guys? How can you use that? First of all, you should understand again that everything is energy, and the thinner, if I can say so, energy is, the faster it shapes the form. For example, the slowest, of course, this is the earth. That's why materialization always takes time. I already talked about it, as it kind of a time gap. Yeah, so because it starts from your thought, which is a frequency vibration of a concrete type shape, but then it starts to vibrate, and if you repeat it every time, so it becomes thicker and thicker and thicker on different levels, and finally it materializes as a physical object. So physical objects has the thickest energy, if I can say so, the most root one. It's not bad, but it's kind of a root, like it's already physical, so we can touch it. And water, this is something on already higher level, so it's not as physical, and so it changes her structure easily. Then goes other layers that we do not see, like emotions, like fire. After the water, fire, like emotions. So fire is even more, the substance even thinner than water, than air. Air, it exists, right? Even though we do not see it, but it exists, and it also but it shape, as you can see. So it just changes its flow very fast, so it's even faster than water. And then goes the information, like your thoughts, which you do not observe, but they exist. Does not mean that they do not exist. And yeah, so how you can use it for your own benefit? You can, for example, if you want something, you can make your water work for you. Like, for example, you can put a stick on your water with a word that you want to manifest in your life, like love maybe, or I don't know, beautiful face, or it can be anything that you desire. So it will give you this result slowly, like placebo. They called it placebo, but it's just it's the name. But placebo, this is the same as manifesting, actually. Or it can be, I don't know, beautiful relationship, or anything you want, like billionaire. You can write any vibration word that you want to resonate with, you want to be vibrational, and stick it onto your bottle of water, or glass of water, or anything you drink your water from. So the next one, you can just say these words under your water and just pronounce them. So the water will also put it into, inside of it. Also, what you can do, you can play some mantras, or some, some beautiful something, not that you are saying, but you know what is close to you, maybe according to your religion, or according to any belief that you have, that or maybe ringing the bells, or any sound that you think is useful. Now you can find a lot of them in internet, any frequencies that you want. So you just kind of energize your water with that, and then you drink it. Yeah. So another thing, but your water should be opened, so it shouldn't be closed. So of course, so you should open it. Also, you can put it under the full moon, for example. If you want this feminine energy, it will kind of energize you if you are a woman. If you need a sun energy, it's kind of a more masculine energy. But anyway, even if you are a woman and you need some masculine energy, like you need to be more go-getter, have more willpower, etc., etc. So you can put the water under the sun, and it will give you this energy. So you can use also the planet energy. So as you can see, there are many ways how you can use it, but just combine your usual routine. So we all drink water, right, every day, with some of beautiful magic. So guys, I love you with all my heart. Be yourself, be limitless, live life on your high quality terms, and remember, you are the best and you deserve the best.